Okay, so next question. This is a question of sequence and series. So, looking at this, it seems very difficult, but it was quite easy. All you needed to do was to open up these brackets and multiply 1 by 5, 1 by 5 square, 1 by 5 cube to their respective brackets. So, let's open this up. 1 by 5 whole square, 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 5, then minus 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 7. Next we have plus 1 by 5 square multiplied by 1 by 5 square will become 1 by 5 whole raised to 4, minus 1 by 5 square multiplied by 1 by 7 square. So this will become 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 7 whole square. This will be so for moved on 1 by 5 whole power 6 minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 7 whole cube and so on. Now if I separate all the numbers with 1 by 5 as the base and the others with 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 7 as the base separate, if I keep them separate, what I am gonna get? I'll get 2 GPs. 1 by 5 whole square plus 1 by 5 whole raised to 4 plus 1 by 5 whole raised to 6, then 1 by 5 whole raised to 8 and so on. So this will be 1 GP. Let's take minus common and the other bracket we'll be having 1 by 5 into 1 by 7 plus 1 by 5 into 1 by 7 whole square plus 1 by 5 into 1 by 7 whole cube and so on. Right. So this is nothing but 1 by 35 plus 1 by 35 square plus 1 by 35 cube dot dot dot. Okay, so the sum of infinite GP is A upon 1 minus R, A being the first term and R being the common ratio between them. So the sum of this series will be A, which is 1 by 5 square, which is 1 by 25 upon 1 minus R. So how do you calculate R? You need to divide the succeeding term with the preceding term. So 1 upon 5 raised to 4 divided by 1 upon 5 square, which will give you 1 upon 25. So my first term and the common ratio both are 25. So A upon 1 minus R will be 1 upon 25 divided by 1 minus 1 upon 25. Similarly here, the first term is 1 upon 35 upon 1 minus, again if you divide this 1 upon 35 square divided by 1 upon 35, you are gonna get 1 upon 35, so the common ratio is again 35. Now let's just take LCM and solve it. So 1 upon 25 upon 25 minus 1 upon 25, 25 and 25 gets cancelled, minus 1 upon 35 upon 35 minus 1 upon 35, this gets cancelled. So you are left with 1 upon 24 minus 1 upon 34. So if you will solve this, you will get the answer. This will be 10 upon 34 multiplied by 24 is 816. If you simplify this, this becomes 5, and if you divide this by 2, you will get 408. So your final answer will be 5 upon 408, which is your fourth option.